Welcome back guys to another video. So today I'll be showing you another trick of how to access free internet without the use of bundles. So open your app store and search for TCX Tunnel. So from there, choose the second one on the list, download and install. After the installation process is done, open the application. So go ahead and click on TCX. So for MTN Zambia, you're able to see these servers that you can choose from. These servers, they offer up to 800 MBs per day. So go ahead and select any of them. Try which one is faster in your region, and then go ahead and press connect. So for those in other regions, go ahead and select all networks. Then it's going to review all the servers in different regions across the world. But for this video, I'll be showing you on how you can access the custom one. So go ahead and search for ZTech. Then you'll see a custom server. Go ahead and select it. Then from there, first give a quick run through all the settings. So just try to pause the video and you copy down these settings. So before we proceed, let's change it into dark mode. Okay, now we are in dark mode. So we can now go ahead and connect it. So click on the start button and you will see the internet there reflecting on the application. So let's open our YouTube so that we see if it's actually working. So we are in offline mode, so let's go ahead and just refresh and we'll wait for at least a minute. So as you can see, the video is playing very well. So just go ahead and do another experiment. So go back to the app and disconnect it, and we'll come back and see if it was really free internet or we are using bundles. So let's select another video. So as you can see, nothing is happening, nothing is loading. Yeah, thank you for coming through guys. See you on the next one.